To be discussed about the circle. What is the circle? This is the fixed point. All points around this point at equidistance, constant distance k, 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 that is known as circle. Locus are point on a plane which is equidistant or fixed point, that is a fixed point. And the distance is always same, equidistance is known as circle. Again, the locus of all fixed points, the locus of all points on a plane from where the distance is constant, known as circle. समतल पे स्थित उन सभी बिंदुओं का बिंदुपथ, समतल पे स्थित उन सभी बिंदुओं का बिंदुपथ जिसके निश्चित बिंदु से दूरी सदैव नियत रहती है, उसे हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? वृत्त कहते हैं. कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल पॉइंट्स which is equidistant from a fixed point is known as circle. The fixed point is known as red center. The fixed point is known as center. इस नियत बिंदु को हम हिंदी में केंद्र कहते हैं. ठीक है. And the fixed distance, a constant distance, the constant distance नियत दूरी, that is known as radius. Radius, that is known as radius, represented by r. In Hindi we say त्रिज्या. Okay, by changing the distance we find number of circle. Okay, now what is the chord of the circle? Chord. What is the chord of the circle? What is the chord of the circle? That is the circle. This is the point on it. That is the point on it. The line segment joining this point. The line segments joining these points known as chord. The line segment joining two points on a circle is known as chord. Okay. You can say any point, 2 points on a circle and join them, that is known as chord. Okay? Anywhere, 2 points on a circle, that is known as chord. There are several chords on a circle. Okay? The longest chord always passes through center. That is the center of a circle. The longest chord always passes through center. This is the chord. That chord is known as diameter. Diameter of circle. The longest chord always passing through center of the circle. And this chord is also known as diameter of the circle. In Hindi, वृत्त पर स्थित दो बिंदुओं को मिलाने वाली रेखा वृत्त की जीवा कहलाती है. वृत्त पर स्थित दो बिंदुओं को मिलाने वाली रेखा वृत्त के जीवा कहलाती है. In English, the line segment joining two points of a circle is known as chord. The line segment joining 2 points on a circle, that is known as chord. वृत्त पर स्थित दो बिंदुओं को मिलाने वाली रेखा खंड वृत्त की जीवा कहलाती है. The longest chord passing through the center is known as diameter of the circle. वृत्त की सबसे बड़ी जीवा सदैव केंद्र से जाती है और इस जीवा को हम लोग व्यास कहते हैं. ओके, that is the circumference of the circle. We know that it is the radius. This is the arc of the circle. You can semi-arc. Okay, semicircular. This is the 2 point on the circles, PQ. Then that is the chord of the circle, a small part of the circumference known as chord of the circle, are represented by PQ. It is also measured in the direction of anti-clock. If you write that the QP is not equal to PQ, because the QP is the distance on a circle, that is the QP. This is known as major arc, or this is known as minor arc. PQ is major arc. दीर्घ चाप हिंदी में कहते हैं. एंड QR is QP नहीं, sorry. QP is major arc and PQ is minor arc. That is known as lakchap. Okay. If the arc measures less than 180 angle on the center, then it is a minor arc. Okay. For example, that is always less than 180. Theta is less than 180. Then the arc is known as minor arc. If the angle is greater than 130, then arc is known as major arc. If theta equal to 180, the arc is known as semicircle. Okay. Now we discuss what is the concentric circle. Let us suppose this is the circle. Okay. This is also a circle. Okay. This is also the circle. Okay. But that radii is difference R1, that is R2, that is R3. We found that R1, R2, R3 are different and different also of the different distance, and the center of these circles are constant. If the circle center is same and the difference radii, the circles are known as concentric circle. The circle of the same center at different radii known as concentric circle. ऐसे सर्कल को हम लोग हिंदी में सकेंद्रीय वृत्त कहते हैं. सकेंद्रीय वृत्त, concentric circle. Concentric circle. Okay, बेटा. Known as a concentric circle. Radius same, but center differ. Radius same, but center differ. C1, C2, R. That are the circles are known as congruent circle. If center is different and radius is same, then circle is known as congruent circle. यदि केंद्र भिन्न भिन्न हो और त्रिज्याएं समान हो तो ऐसे व्यक्तियों को हम लोग सर्वांग समृद्ध कहते हैं। क्या कहते हैं? सर्वांग समृद्ध कहते हैं। अंग्रेजी में क्या कहते हैं? इन इंग्लिश वी कॉल इट अ congruent circle. Okay, but in case of the second concentric circle, the center is same, the radius is different. When in this case the radius is same, the center is different. That the circle are known as congruent circle, and this is known as concentric circle. Okay, the angle subtended by R on the center is represented by amplitude. The angle subtended at the center by the R is known as this angle is known as the angle subtended by the center represented by amplitude. Okay. We write AB. This represents that it is the angle subtended by R on the center. Okay, that is the choice of the circle. Some basic concept of the circle. In next video, we discuss about the some important theorem of the circle. Thank you.